Hi, it's Kierfin Lobates here. Now, here's a concern. The mobile phone industry is dominated by companies such as Samsung and Apple. The phones that we use here in Europe are made, well, they're made in China, but they are handled by companies from Korea and from the United States. Now, back in the good old days in Finland, Nokia was a significant player in the mobile phone market. Unfortunately, through mismanagement, it all went wrong, and now it's just an IP holding company. And that means that there's a gap. Where are the European technology companies that make phones? In the absence of such companies, shouldn't the European Union step in and release phones for Europeans, made in Europe by Europeans, given that private industry hasn't managed to do that? And how about soft drinks? The major leaders in the soft drinks industries are companies like Coca-Cola and Pepsi, which are American companies. Now, shouldn't there be soft drinks made for Europeans in Europe by Europeans, and ones that should dominate the market? And in the absence of any successful soft drinks companies that have managed to grow to the same size as the aforementioned Coca-Cola and Pepsi, shouldn't the European Union step in and organize that for us too? Yeah, it's ridiculous, isn't it? That's not really how capitalism, free markets and private enterprise work. So here's the question. One of the issues that the European Central Bank raises for the introduction of a digital euro is that electronic payments are handled almost exclusively by American companies, PayPal, Visa and Mastercard. And an argument given for the digital euro is that in the absence of private companies that are European, based in Europe, handling payments for Europeans, the ECB has to step in and provide that solution so that Europe has autonomy over its electronic payment systems. You see my point? What does the European Central Bank have to do in playing in this space? And shouldn't the question really be, why is it that European companies don't seem to be able to have the success, mass adoption and mass appeal that these American companies have? Shouldn't we be questioning what is wrong with our economic models, with our incentives and with the support that we provide enterprise in Europe to compete in these spaces? But apparently no. Apparently the answer is that a European institution, in quotes public institution, has to step in and fill the gap, because apparently we in Europe are unable to do so. That's today's video. It's just a thought. Hope you found it interesting, and I'll see you in the next one soon. Bye for now.